Yo guys, hope everyone's having an amazing day. We passed 5 of our top step accounts, like literally in 8 trading days or a week. I wish I could have showed you these things, but it obviously went away. I have to activate my other accounts. But yeah, so literally we won today's trade, obviously 869, and then yesterday's trade 807, and then this one 498. Like this trade, I traded my stop loss from 800 to 500, got wicked out, hit full TP, so I could have passed it on this day. But we learned a lesson: never move your stop loss during consolidation. So basically, all my trades have hit. So this one 1300. This one was a forced trade. So out of all the trades, and then 1400, and then 925, and this one, out of all the trades, I've only realistically lost 2. This was a forced entry, and this, I can't remember, this was completely against the bias and during CPI. So out of all those trades, we're on like a 6-day winning streak, if I didn't count this. So we're seeing some progress again in the markets, which is pretty good. Like as much as this trade hurt me, I knew I could have passed it. I said to myself, just come back another day. There's always going to be more days. What's the difference if I pass it today or tomorrow or next week? So I literally, when I saw that, I got off the charts. I wanted to revenge trade, but I said to myself, no. Every time when I revenge trade, it always ends up getting worse. So I just locked myself out. Well, just literally, I just got off the charts and went to bed. If I revenge trade, I could have lost all these accounts right then and there. That's why, guys, if you guys just got to accept the losses, even when it doesn't go in your favor, and you guys are so angry and emotional about it. Just get off the charts, because literally 2 trades are 1 in a row. Like there's always going to be better days to come. Don't get so frustrated over 1 loss. And then look, we passed it literally on Friday. We got 5 express accounts on for Monday, which is good. So starting to see progress. We're starting to see I lost my train of thought, to be fair. I'm so tired. What was I gonna say? Yeah, we're just seeing progress in this market. Obviously, it's completely different, and we've got to adapt to it. Like I said, we're traders. We're supposed to adapt to different market conditions. Literally, I'm just targeting lower RR, and it's been doing alright. So for this trade, coming on the day, I was a bit bullish, because through smart money concept bias, we manipulated the Asia lows. We came up, reverse. So I was expecting a New York continuation, because we filled in this 15-minute. This is why it's so important to wait for macro. If I didn't wait for macro, then I would have got cooked. Anyways, when we respected the 15-minute over here, it was somewhere around here. We came up, then we filled in this massive 5-minute gap, also filling the 0.5% on the Fibonacci chart, which is very, very sensitive. The 0.5 and the 0.7 are the 2 most sensitive areas. So once I seen that, I was like, alright, boom, filled in the 5-minute. I could have entered then, but it was before macro, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, it wasn't. Was it before macro? I don't even know. But I wanted like a 1 minute for value, get plus retrace to get like a good entry. So after that, I got the retrace, boom, It was a bad closure, I can't lie, but then so I waited for the second candle and I just entered when we started getting volume down, which was about here, and then literally price just absolutely dumped. I was in this trade for literally 1 minute and 59 seconds. Out of my stop above this high, I risked I think 600 for this trade. If I was trading on XFA, I would have targeted literally London, which would have been 1500, but all I needed was around $850 to pass the accounts. Anyways, I closed manually that trade because I didn't know the exact amount, and then I needed literally $2 more left to pass the account. Literally $2 more. It was legit rage baiting me. So then I waited for this 1 minute to get filled, and I just entered with 1 micro and then passed it in literally a second. So, by the looks of it, we're gonna take out this 4-hour low. You just gotta be open-minded. Yeah, and not be married to your bias. Originally, like I said, I was bullish, but having an open mind, knowing, having short confluences, yeah, I see that the higher time frame has a bullish setup kind of, but I'm also getting short confluences, and I was just targeting the draw of liquidity, which was London. Well, in this case, I only needed 900. So yeah, we're back with 5 accounts. And I can't lie, it's taken a lot of stress of having, compared to having 18 accounts. It's 5 accounts feel like 1 account to me, literally. So I'm not afraid to size in when I see an A+ setup. Like in this case, I would have sized in. So with my Express accounts, I'll be sizing in if I see an A+ reversal. That's where most of my big wins come from. Yeah, literally. So compared to 18 to 20 accounts, it's a whole different ball game. I thought I could handle it, but realistically, it's a lot of money. You know, every 20 accounts was $2,000, so it was blowing quickly. I literally can't afford that right now. So all you really need is 5 accounts, literally, and you can make 5 figures a month plus 6 figures so easily just from 5 accounts. So yeah, like I said, if you guys are going through bad days, I'm going through bad days. You guys have seen, I've been recording every loss. I'm being so transparent with you as possible. And look, we blew those accounts. A week later, past 5 accounts again. Like, you guys are gonna have bad days. You guys are gonna have bad months. You guys are gonna have bad weeks. But you guys just gotta get through them. You guys gotta be journaling your trades. You guys wanna be taking as many losses as possible, because that's what trading is about. Record your data. Record where you go wrong. Record your emotions. Record all of that, because how do you guys know where you're going wrong, and how can you guys learn from your mistakes? You guys are not recording that. So that's why it's so important for you to be doing that. But like I said, Monday 5 Express, so ready for Monday to kill it and try and get max payout. At the end of the day, my long-term goals is to get on a live account and get on that leaderboard. I want to be on that top step leaderboard. That's the goal, and I will get it. I know I will get it. You just gotta be delusional. And I feel like having this attachment to no money, attachment to literally nothing. I don't care if I blow, I don't care if I win. Like, it's helped me a lot, and that's what you guys need. Yeah, passing 5 accounts is alright, but it's not. You know what I mean? But anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video. I don't want to keep it too long, too much yapping. Um, Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you in a new one. See you, boys.